In today's hybrid work environment, efficient space and booking management is more important than ever. Organizations need a flexible system to schedule meeting rooms, desks, shared spaces, and event venues without conflicts or inefficiencies. Traditional manual booking methods often lead to double bookings, miscommunication, and underutilization of office spaces. Skedda is a cloud-based workplace and venue management software designed to streamline room, desk, and space reservations for businesses, co-working spaces, universities, and event venues. With its user-friendly interface, automated booking system, and customizable access controls, Skedda helps organizations optimize their workspace, reduce administrative workload, and improve space utilization. This tutorial will cover Skedda's key features, benefits, and why it's an excellent choice for modern workplace management. So for its key features and benefits, first is its smart space booking and scheduling. Skedda allows users to reserve meeting rooms, desks, or event spaces through a customizable booking platform. Organizations can set rules for availability, duration limits, and booking permissions. This prevents double bookings and ensures fair allocation of space. Another key feature is the interactive floor plan and custom booking rules. Organizations can upload interactive maps of their office layout, allowing employees to select available spaces visually. Admins can set booking rules, cancellation policies, and priority access based on user roles. This enhances user experience by providing a clear visual representation of available spaces. Another key feature is the automated approvals and notifications. Skedda automates booking approvals, confirmations, and reminders via email or SMS. This ensures that employees and managers stay informed about their reservations. This reduces manual workload and improves scheduling efficiency. Another key feature is the seamless integrations with business tools. Skedda integrates with Microsoft 365, Google Calendar, Slack, and Zoom, allowing users to sync their bookings with existing workflows. This ensures a smooth transition between different business applications for better productivity. Another key feature is the mobile-friendly and cloud-based access. Employees can make, modify, or cancel reservations on any device through Skedda's mobile-friendly platform. This enhances flexibility by allowing remote and on-the-go workspace management. Another key feature is the custom user permissions and access control. Admins can assign different access levels to employees, guests, or departments, ensuring that only authorized personnel can book certain areas. This prevents unauthorized bookings and optimizes space usage. Another key feature is the advanced reporting and analytics. Skedda provides insights into booking trends, peak usage times, and space efficiency through detailed analytics and reports. This helps organizations make data-driven decisions to optimize workspace utilization. So why is Skedda a great choice? Skedda is an ideal workplace management solution for organizations looking to streamline space reservations without unnecessary complexity. Its intuitive interface, customizable booking rules, automation features, and integrations make it a powerful yet easy to use tool for businesses of all sizes. One of its biggest advantages is the interactive floor plan feature, which allows employees to visually select and book available spaces, making the reservation process seamless. Additionally, Skedda's mobile accessibility, integration with popular business tools, and data analytics give companies the insights they need to optimize workspace utilization effectively. Skedda is particularly beneficial for organizations managing hybrid workplaces, co-working spaces, educational facilities, or event venues that require an easy-to-use yet comprehensive scheduling solution. So whether you need a simple desk booking system or a complete space management solution, Skedda provides the flexibility, automation, and integrations necessary to meet your needs. So basically, Skedda simplifies workplace and venue booking with its automated scheduling, real-time availability, updates, and customizable booking rules. Whether you need to manage hot desking, meeting rooms, event venues, or shared workspaces, Skedda provides a streamlined, user-friendly solution. One of the biggest challenges organizations face in managing workplace reservations is reducing conflicts and inefficiencies in space usage. Skedda addresses these issues through its smart scheduling features, customizable access permissions, and automated notifications. The interactive floor plan feature makes it easy for users to visualize available spaces and integrations with Microsoft 365, Google Calendar, and Slack ensure a seamless workflow. So with its scalability, ease of use, and automation capabilities, Skedda is one of the best workplace management tools in 2025. Whether you're a small business, a large enterprise, a university, or a co-working space, Skedda provides the perfect solution to streamline booking and maximize workplace efficiency. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.